Now this, as you'll remember, you could just hit the little drop down and then account settings, and that takes you here. This is where you have to pay all of your eBay fees. So right now you can see we don't have any eBay fees to pay, but they break it down for you, but it looks pretty confusing. So the easiest way to figure this out is just pay whatever is in the red, and as long as you have that paid, you'll be good. They invoice you once a month, but I recommend just paying this, log in once a week and pay this just so that you stay on top of it, because it can be frustrating, especially for new people, when they forget about their eBay fees and then sign in and they're like, oh no, I owe a lot of money. Because yeah, eBay's going to be taking, a big percentage of your sales, and so you have to remember to pay them. Also, your store subscription is not included in this number. It used to be, but it seems as though it is not currently. To make a one-time payment, like I'd recommend doing weekly, you can just come down here to make a one-time payment, click on that, and, we have nothing that's currently owed, but you can just pay this. You type in the amount you want to pay, hit pay, and then pay it with PayPal.
Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. If you're new to dropshipping and you're trying to figure out how to get started, I've got a full free set of training videos down there, link in the description. It goes over everything you need to know about how to get started making money online. And the average person following my method makes around $500 to $800 profit per month after expenses for each 1,000-item eBay store that they have set up and running. They're really not that hard to get started. If you've got any questions about anything dropshipping related, feel free to hit me up on Facebook. I'll put a link down there, as well as a link to a group that I started with hundreds of other dropshippers that you can join. I post new content on this channel every couple days, so go ahead and subscribe and click the notifications, and I'll see you back here with another video in a couple days.